Hi students, today we are going to discuss an important topic, that is named reaction, very important named reaction, Gutterman-Koch reaction. This is very important for competitives as well as board. So here today we are going to discuss Gutterman-Koch reaction. In this method we are preparing especially aromatic aldehydes. So very important preparation method we have here. Let me discuss from what reagent we are preparing. When benzene so benzene we have to take as the reagent or its derivatives. We can take benzene or its derivative, toluene, like that. Treated with is treated. So we have to treat benzene or benzene derivatives with carbon monoxide plus HCl in the presence of Lewis acid, anhydrous aluminum trichloride. So this is a Lewis acid, means lone pair acceptor. Lewis acid nothing but lone pair acceptor. So what is the reaction? Gutterman-Koch. Benzene or benzene derivatives treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 acts as Lewis acid. You can take, if anhydrous AlCl3 not available, then you can take CuCl also. In the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or CuCl, any one you can treat. What you are getting? You are getting, that is, gives benzaldehyde. So we have to prepare benzaldehyde by Gutterman-Koch reaction. So requirements all are given. Benzene or benzene derivative treat with CO and HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, aluminum trichloride act as Lewis acid, or you can take CuCl also, gives benzaldehyde. So we have to prepare aromatic aldehyde. So go for here example. Very easy method. Benzene with aromatic system, we have to add carbon monoxide. It has a reducing agent, you know very well, with HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or CuCl. Any one you can use. You are getting benzaldehyde. What you are getting? Benzaldehyde. So benzene converted to benzaldehyde. Benzene converted to benzaldehyde in the presence of COHCl and the agent we have to use anhydrous AlCl3 or CuCl. This is the reaction. Very easy. But how COCl, that is CO and HCl and AlCl3 can give this benzaldehyde means we have to go for mechanism. If you learn mechanism of few reactions, then very easy remaining. So I am going to explain mechanism of Gattermann-Koch. Here we have to remember that few things about this reaction. Here the main thing is it is the reaction in which formylation of benzene takes place. Formylation in the presence of a Lewis acid, anhydrous AlCl3 gives benzaldehyde. So Lewis acid we are using as AnCl3 and formylation will be takes place. Formylation. What is meant by formylation? Later I will explain. First, mechanism. In step 1, what happened means formation of electrophile. Formation of electrophile. First electrophile we have to form. How electrophile will be formed? Let me go. Here I am taking carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, oxygen plus, carbon minus. And we have another reagent, that is HCl. HCl along with AlCl3. AlCl3. Clear? In the presence of AlCl3. Aluminium trichloride. This we are taking. CO, that is carbon monoxide, is a Lewis base. Remember, carbon monoxide is a Lewis base or reducing agent. A Lewis base can accept proton or donate lone pair. So it will donate lone pair to H plus. Lone pair donation or acceptation of H plus is called Lewis base. Then bond between carbon and hydrogen will be takes place. So like this you are getting here. Then this chlorine will be moved out. Then I am getting here H, C, triple bond, O plus. Clear? Lone pair is given to here. And this Cl minus, this you can write as resonating structure. H bond C, double bond O, and here you are getting plus. These two are in resonant. This oxygen, triple bond oxygen and carbon, I am shifting to oxygen. Then this plus charge will be vanished. It lost its valency, plus you are getting. So this is you are getting. So this we are calling as formylation ion. What we are calling? Formylium ion. This is formylium. What is meant by formylium means, you know very well. Here R C double bond O H aldehyde. Break this bond and this group is there na, C double bond OH. This group we are calling formyl group, and this is ion we are calling formylium ion. Immediately in step 2, attacking of Lewis acid AlCl3. AlCl3 will attack. This you have to take H C double bond O plus, and already Cl minus V eliminated. This Cl minus will attack here, giving rise to H C double bond O Cl. This is we are calling formyl chloride. This is intermediate. Immediately AlCl3 will attack. AlCl3. See here, chlorine has lone pairs. This lone pair it will give to AlCl3. Lewis acid lone pair acceptor. Lewis acid is lone pair acceptor. When it donates lone pair to this bond is shifted to chlorine. Clear? Then you are getting H C double bond O plus AlCl4 minus. AlCl3 is there, that will be taken one chlorine, AlCl4 minus. Again we got formylium ion. Here you are getting, and here it is a continuous process. So totally this formylium ion act as electrophile. Remember, plus charge is na, plus charge nothing but electrophile. Go for next step. Step 3. Attacking of electrophile. On benzene. Electrophile formylium ion attack on benzene. Look here, this is benzene aromatic system. It will be attacked by electrophile C double bond O H with positive charge. When it is an electrophile, this is act as nucleophile. Remember, benzene ring act as nucleophile, means it donate lone pair. Now how it will donate? Look here, double bond, we have double bond means pi electrons. This is plus charge. Benzene ring will donate a pi electron to carbon, that is formylium ion, giving rise to. Look here, when benzene donated a lone pair, this double bond is going to be break. Here double bond. Clear? C is bonded here. Here double bond, and here we have H. When we shifted this double bond to here, these two carbons valency satisfy this double bond. this carbon satisfied by this carbon, but this carbon is vacant. That's why it will get positive charge. It will get positive charge. Clear? Now, here you see this carbon 1, 2, 3 means here hydrogen is there. Hydrogen is there. This hydrogen donate electron to this plus, giving rise to again double bond will be generated. When this bond is broken to here a double bond, here already double bonds we have, this hydrogen is gone, CHO, this is, and this H plus we have here. When we shifted this hydrogen, we are getting H plus. This H plus react with AlCl3. H plus react with AlCl3. This H plus AlCl4 minus. Clear? It will give one chlorine for hydrogen, HCl plus AlCl3. Clear? So initially what we used, HCl and AlCl3. These are helping for bonding, not participating. So finally you got benzaldehyde. What you got? Benzaldehyde. And this is benzene. This is mechanism. Now, why I told here formylation means we are adding formylium ion to benzene ring. We are adding formylium ion to benzene ring. That's why this process we are calling formylation. What we are calling? Formylation. Formylation of benzene or its derivatives gives benzaldehyde. This process we are calling Gattermann-Koch reaction. Here CO Lewis base, AlCl3 Lewis acid. This will donate a lone pair. It will accept a lone pair, or it can accept a H plus also. And a small note for this reaction. By this method we can't, means this reaction does not work. This reaction does not work for phenolic, does not work with phenolic, means phenols or amino derivatives or amino aromatic species. See, here we take benzene, but if you take phenol or amino aromatic compound, aniline like that will not give benzaldehyde, because that is due to, why it will not give? Due to these phenols or anilines form a complex with Lewis acid due to formation of complex with Lewis acid. This is very important for competitive concern. You have to remember, for NEET or for JEE or for CET, phenolic or amino aromatic species cannot be give benzaldehyde by Gattermann-Koch reaction, because this can form a complex with Lewis acids. So this is how benzaldehyde can be prepared from Gattermann-Koch Koch reaction. Remember my dears, here Lewis acid, AlCl3 anhydrous and electrophile formylium ion. This is formylium ion. This act as electrophile and benzene act as nucleophile. Clear? This is one aromatic substitution. This is one substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution. Why? Because we are adding electrophile. We are adding electrophile. So along with mechanism you learn, then easy to you. Please, if you like this concept, subscribe my channel, share with your friends and be connected with my channel. Be safe at home. Thank you.